Hey, it's Dave and Mike, Ghetto Van Adventures, and we're going to show you how to replace a windshield wiper. Everybody does it on their cars, and should have done it earlier because these are squealing and it drives me nuts when I use them. So I bought these nice Trico ice wipers, even though winter's pretty well over. Oh well, what are you going to do? But they're not cheap, but they flex, they grip. Apparently they have good reviews. So you want to take your wiper off? And you get right in there, Mike.
Yep.
You see this little tab right here on this one?
Yep.
Just push up, and then that's it.
That's it?
That's it. So I'll show you again. Okay, that's
those guys at the Great Canadian Auto Change to do it, and it's that easy.
Yeah. Okay, so just push that in, and then down. Take that off. Now watch that this wiper arm doesn't come back and smack your windshield. Okay, now when you put this one on, there's the round edge right there. Okay. So that is going to go in like so, and just there, done. When you hear it snap, just give it a little wiggle. Done, finished.
They charge me $5.99 for that.
Really?
Yeah.
So it's pretty simple. Like I say, the round part goes in first. You can get right in there. There's the round part right there. There's your clip to pop it open. And if I was going to take off this one, same procedure. There's a little, see the little tab there? Can you get that, Mike?
No.
Oh. See, there's a little tab right at the back there. Right there. You just push that in and push down, and it's off. Anyway, save you a couple bucks.
$5.99 to be exact.
Well, depending on the place you go to. But if you like it, subscribe. Click the thumbs up. What the heck was that? Have I got raccoons living around here? I could. Hit subscribe, thumbs up, give us some love. Anyway, Dave and Mike, Ghetto Van Adventures. Don't forget us. See you next time. And look at that. Nice and clear, worked perfect. So, if you like the video, subscribe, please give it a thumbs up, and have a good day. Take care.